When it comes to choosing the right boiler for your home, Vaillant offers some fantastic options tailored to different needs. For smaller flats, the Vaillant Ecotech Plus 825 is a compact powerhouse, delivering efficiency without taking up too much space. If you have a mid-sized home, the Ecotech Plus 832 is perfect, providing ample hot water and heating while keeping energy bills in check. For larger households, the Ecotech Plus 837 shines with its impressive output, ensuring everyone can enjoy a hot shower without a wait. If you're eco-conscious, the Ecotech exclusive with Green IQ is a brilliant choice, combining advanced technology with sustainability. And for those off the grid, the Vaillant Aerotherm air source heat pump is an innovative solution that harnesses renewable energy. Each of these boilers brings reliability and efficiency, making them top contenders for any home type in the UK. Choosing the right one can transform your living space into a cozy haven.